Before you buy a new dishwasher, you need to know these 7 tips. Most people make simple mistakes: overspending, choosing the wrong features, or missing hidden installation costs. I'm going to help you avoid those mistakes so you get the perfect dishwasher for your home. Hi, I'm John Carey, co-founder at Designer Appliances, where we've helped thousands of customers in New Jersey and New York find the right appliances for their homes. Today I'll walk you through 7 things you must know before buying a dishwasher. And if you need help choosing the best one, visit one of our New Jersey, New York area showrooms or check us out online at designerappliances.com. Let's get started. Dishwasher buying tip number 1. How quiet should your dishwasher be? In the early 2000s, dishwashers were loud, over 55 decibels, disrupting conversations and even sleep. Then brands like Bosch introduced the concept of a quiet dishwasher, creating models up to 4 times quieter. With dishwashers now rated as low as 37 decibels, many of our New Jersey and New York customers wonder if it's worth it to go for the absolute quietest option. But here's a quick tip. Don't limit your options to only the lowest absolute noise rating. You'll end up spending more than you have to. Instead, prioritize something in the 42 decibel range. The low 40s is whisper quiet, costs less, and still gets the job done. Then consider wash and dry performance, reliability, and other convenient features to finalize your choice. Dishwasher buying tip number 2. Not all dishwashers clean the same, but here's what actually matters. Most modern dishwashers clean well. If you look at reviews, almost every brand gets a 4 or 5-star rating for wash performance. If they all clean well, what actually separates them? The difference is in how they clean and which features make your life easier. Look out for the following. Soil sensors. Instead of running a fixed cycle, these dishwashers adjust wash time based on how dirty your dishes are. This saves water and ensures everything comes out spotless. Filtration versus hard food disposers. Filters are quieter and common in modern dishwashers, but need occasional cleaning to prevent odors. Hard food disposers grind food automatically, great if you hate scraping dishes, but they're louder and can break over time. For a quieter, more reliable dishwasher, I usually recommend skipping the disposer. Wash zones and targeted sprays. Some dishwashers feature bottle jets for deep glasses, baby bottles, and sports bottles, plus intensive spray zones for baked-on messes. We're big fans of KitchenAid, GE Profile, and Cafe dishwashers for their well-designed bottle jets, which provide extra cleaning power where it matters most. Special wash cycles. Beyond normal and heavy cycles, some dishwashers offer special settings for delicate glassware or fine china, using gentle pressure and lower temperatures, or sanitized cycles that heat water to 150 degrees plus to kill bacteria, great for baby bottles and cutting boards. If you entertain often or have kids, these features are a must-have. Water softener for hard water areas. If you live in an area with hard water, like many of our customers near our Montclair, New Jersey showroom, a dishwasher with a built-in water softener is a must-have. These dishwashers have a small compartment for special salt that softens the water, improving cleaning performance while also extending the life of your dishwasher by reducing mineral buildup. Almost all dishwashers clean well, but the real difference is in features that make them more effective for your specific needs. Dishwasher buying tip number 3. Heated dry versus condensation drying. Which one's better? Traditional dishwashers use a heating element to dry dishes, but this has some major downsides. They can melt plastics if they fall onto the heating coil, they bake on leftover food particles instead of washing them away, and finally, they waste energy compared to modern drying methods. Brands like Bosch and Miele take a different approach with condensation drying, a safer, more energy-efficient method. Instead of a heating element, they use a high-heat final rinse to heat the dishwasher's interior. As the dishwasher cools, moisture naturally condenses on the tub walls and drains away, leaving dishes dry. The pros? It's gentler on your dishes and more hygienic. The downside? If you don't unload the dishwasher quickly, moisture can redistribute onto your dishes. Some brands offer an auto-open door that releases excess moisture after a cycle, speeding up drying and preventing water redeposit. This helps keep your dishwasher fresh even if you don't unload it immediately. I often run my Miele before vacation, knowing the dishes will be dry when we return. No worries, even when we're rushing out the door. Another downside of condensation drying is that it doesn't dry plastics as well as a heating element. Since plastics don't retain heat like glass or ceramic, they don't release the moisture as effectively during the condensation process. This means lightweight plastic containers and lids may still come out damp. If you wash a lot of plastic items, a dishwasher with a heating element, like KitchenAid models, may be a better choice. The The direct heat helps evaporate moisture from plastics more effectively, limiting the need for towel drying, and their heating element is concealed, reducing the risk of melting mishaps while still delivering strong drying power. Want the best of both worlds? Bosch's Crystal Dry technology enhances the condensation process by using zeolite minerals to generate extra heat naturally, drying plastics more effectively without the risks of a traditional heating element. Dishwasher buying tip number 4. Racking features make a huge difference. Loading and unloading the dishwasher is already a chore. The rack design and flexibility are how you interact with your dishwasher every day. They should make your life easier, not harder. Here are the key racking features to look for. A third rack cutlery tray. This is now, in my opinion, a must-have feature that many people still don't know about. It's a dedicated top rack designed to neatly organize silverware, spreading utensils out for better cleaning. It also fits large knives, ramekins, and small kitchen tools, while freeing up space on the bottom rack where a cutlery basket would normally go. Many models even have a dedicated spray arm for the third rack, ensuring everything gets thoroughly cleaned. Look for an adjustable upper rack. This allows you to move the upper basket up or down to fit large plates on the bottom or tall glasses up top. Foldable tines and specialized basket zones. These create space for large pots and pans by folding down when needed. We love Miele's racking system for its flexibility. Higher-end models even have custom spots for wine glasses, large cookware, and delicate items. Cove dishwashers by Sub-Zero also offer impressive racking adjustability with a clever mechanism for easily moving tines. These features make loading your dishwasher way more flexible. Dishwasher buying tip number 5. Stainless steel tub versus plastic tub. Which one should you choose? Dishwashers come with either a stainless steel or a plastic tub, and the choice makes a big difference. Let's break down which one is right for you. Choose a stainless steel tub if you want better drying performance, especially with condensation drying, you prioritize quiet operation, you care about long-term durability and hygiene, you want a dishwasher that resists stains, odors, and mold. Choose a plastic tub if you're on a tight budget and looking for a dishwasher under $600. You don't mind manually drying dishes after each cycle. You don't run your dishwasher frequently or expect long-term use. You're okay with some extra noise. If you can afford the upgrade, stainless steel tubs are 100% worth it for their better drying, durability, quietness, and hygiene. But if you're on a strict budget, a plastic tub can still work. Just expect to deal with more noise, wet dishes, and possibly stains over time. Dishwasher buying tip number 6. Are high-tech features worth it? Many dishwashers now come with Wi-Fi and smart features, but do you really need them? For most people, Wi-Fi in a dishwasher doesn't add that much value. But with that said, it can be useful in some cases. Cycle completion alerts can be helpful. If you're the type of person who likes to unload the dishwasher as soon as it finishes, Wi-Fi alerts can be useful. This can also be handy when entertaining, so you can quickly clear one load and start the next without constantly checking. But unlike a washing machine or a dryer, where knowing when a cycle is done helps you start the next, for many, there's no urgency to unload the dishwasher the second it finishes. Most people even run their dishwasher overnight, making notifications pointless. Hands-free start. Forgot to start the dishwasher? You can do it remotely via an app. However, this usually isn't helpful since you probably also forgot to add detergent. Miele solves this with their auto-dose system, a built-in detergent dispenser that stores up to 20 cycles worth of detergent and automatically doses based on the load. With this feature, you can truly start it remotely or even schedule it to run at the same time every night. Maintenance alerts and diagnostics. Some brands send notifications when a filter needs cleaning or if there's an issue. Some models even allow remote diagnostics, so tech support can identify problems without a service visit. Unless you love smart home tech or have a dishwasher in a hard-to-hear location, Wi-Fi isn't a must-have. Most of our customers who buy a smart dishwasher never end up even using the feature. Instead, prioritize cleaning performance, racking flexibility, and drying power. And finally, dishwasher tip number 7. Don't forget about installation. You've picked the perfect dishwasher, but can it actually be installed? First, check your electrical setup. Most modern dishwashers require a dedicated outlet instead of being hardwired. While installers can retrofit this, it comes with an extra charge, so it's best to confirm your setup in advance. Next, measure your opening. Standard width is 24 inches, but height is where people run into issues. 34.5-inch opening? Almost any dishwasher will fit. Less than 34.5, check the specs. Many models can be adjusted down. If you have an older home with layers of flooring, you might have a reduced opening height, so consider an ADA-compliant model designed for tighter spaces. Next, check your water shutoff valves. especially if they haven't been touched in years. Old, corroded, or stuck valves, they can crumble or break when turned, leading to leaks or major water damage. If your valves look questionable, consider hiring a plumber instead of relying on an appliance installer. A plumber can replace faulty valves on the spot, preventing unexpected installation delays. So plan ahead. Confirm your electric setup, measurements, and water connections before installation to avoid delays, extra cost, and last-minute surprises. So there you have it. If you're shopping for appliances and want expert guidance, visit one of our designer appliances showrooms in the New York, New Jersey area, or shop online at designerappliances.com. We'll help you find the perfect fit for your home. Hit like if this was helpful, and subscribe for more appliance tips, and let us know in the comments which dishwasher features matter most to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.